Today I have another recipe for you. It's summer and it's very hot outside, so I will show you how to make Oreo popsicles. For today's recipe, you will need 3 packs of Oreos, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and some popsicle sticks. Let's get started. Now I will whisk the whipping cream until it gets fluffy. Let's get started. It's done now. Let's crush some Oreos now. Now I will put the whipping cream in the Oreo packets. I'll see you when they're done. Now I fill them up with some whipping cream. Now I'll put them in the freezer. It's been 2 hours now. Let's go check them. I took them out of the freezer. Now let's do the taste test. It's super good. Please like and subscribe. I hope you like this recipe. I will see you next time. Bye.